You did everything right, planted your garlic, watered it, waited months, and when harvest day finally comes, you pull out tiny, soft, or even rotten bulbs. But here's the thing, it's not bad luck. It's you making one of the most common garlic planting mistakes that quietly destroy your harvest before it even begins. And once you know what these mistakes are, you'll never look at planting garlic the same way again. Let's uncover the top garlic planting mistakes you need to avoid, so you can grow those big, beautiful, flavorful bulbs everyone dreams of. Hey there, garden lovers! Welcome back to Healthy Horizon. If you want healthy, full-size garlic bulbs that actually taste like garlic, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the most common garlic planting mistakes and what to do instead. Stick around till the end, because mistake number 7 is one that even experienced gardeners often make, and it can ruin your entire harvest. Planting the wrong type of garlic. Garlic isn't just garlic. There are two main types, softneck and hardneck, and choosing the wrong one for your climate can set you up for failure. Hardneck garlic loves cold weather, perfect for places with freezing winters. Softneck garlic, on the other hand, prefers milder climates. Planting hardneck in hot regions, it'll struggle. Planting softneck in the cold, it might not even form proper bulbs. The fix: always check your climate zone before buying seed garlic. Local farmers markets or garden centers usually sell the best variety for your area. Planting too early or too late. Timing is everything. Plant too early, and the garlic sprouts before winter, then freezes. Plant too late, and it won't have time to grow roots before the ground hardens. The fix: the golden rule: plant garlic 2 to 4 weeks before the first frost in your area. That way, it establishes strong roots but stays dormant during winter. Planting grocery store garlic. This one surprises most beginners. Grocery store garlic often comes treated with chemicals that stop it from sprouting. Plus, it's not adapted to your soil or climate. The fix: always buy certified seed garlic. It's disease-free, untreated, and bred for planting, not eating. Poor soil preparation. Garlic hates compact, heavy soil. It needs loose, rich, and well-draining earth to form big bulbs. Planting in clay soil, you'll end up with stunted, deformed cloves. The fix: mix in compost, aged manure, or organic matter before planting. If your soil is heavy, raise your bed or use containers for better drainage. Planting cloves upside down. Yes, it sounds silly, but it happens a lot. Each garlic clove has a top and bottom. The pointy end faces up, and the flat root end goes down. If you plant it upside down, the garlic has to fight its way to the surface, wasting energy and producing small bulbs. The fix: always double-check the direction before covering your cloves with soil. Overwatering or underwatering. Garlic is picky with water. Too much water equals rot. Too little equals weak, dry bulbs. The fix: keep the soil evenly moist, not soggy. Water deeply once a week, and reduce watering as harvest time nears. Garlic likes consistency, not puddles. Neglecting sunlight and spacing. Garlic is a sun lover. Without enough sunlight or space, the bulbs stay small and crowded. Planting too close means competition for nutrients, air, and light. The fix: give each clove about 6 inches of space in rows 10 to 12 inches apart. And make sure they get at least 6 hours of full sun daily. Skipping mulching. Many people forget this step, and it's one of the easiest ways to protect your garlic. Mulch keeps the soil warm, holds moisture, and prevents weeds from taking over. The fix: after planting, cover the soil with 2 to 3 inches of straw, leaves, or grass clippings. Come spring, your garlic will thank you. Bonus tip: harvesting too early or too late. After months of care, don't ruin it by harvesting at the wrong time. If you pull garlic too soon, the bulbs will be small and underdeveloped. Too late, and the outer layers start splitting, making them hard to store. The fix: harvest when the bottom leaves turn brown but the top 3 to 4 are still green. That's your perfect window. Now you know the top garlic planting mistakes to avoid, and how to fix them. Which of these have you been guilty of before? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with another gardener who loves garlic. Remember, great garlic isn't about luck, it's about knowing what not to do.